thought of something useful.
So I'm going to put this ball here, and then you're going to use a straw to blow on it, back up a little so I don't blow on it. And then you want to blow this ball to that target, the center of that target right there. You're each going to have a straw, and you have 5 minutes to do this task, to start from here and get it in that white ball, the circle. If a ball falls on the ground anywhere, you'll pick it up and put it back at the starting point. No, you're not allowed to touch it, and also your straw can't it cannot go on top of the table. The edge of the straw has to be at the edge of the table. But you can go anywhere around the table. But you can't be like this. You have to be here.
Oh, that's not bad.
Well, that makes it complicated.
Yeah. But you can go anywhere around the table. So you guys, I'll give you guys you each get a straw. I'll give you guys a couple minutes to go in the corner and talk about how you're going to strategize as a team to do this. Okay, let me know when you're ready.
The ones near the target suck, while the others on the other side.
How about when it sucks? Or what they how about when there's 2 people on the side that are keeping it so it doesn't fall off? There's 2 people on the
We have a
side.
question real quick. Can everybody blow at the same time?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go. One big blow. Okay, but there needs to be 2 people at the side so we can
Okay, you guys about ready? Yeah. Okay, grab your straw.
I did too.
No. Remember where you said one of us had.
I need one of extra. Sorry.
That's what I need. Oh, it's actually how can I go?
I'll be on the side.
All right, you guys have 5 minutes.
Over here. Oh, over here.
Okay,
You not remember that, Lily?
you can start.
No, but there needs to be 2 people on the side. Remember? Wait.
I'll be over here.
I can't get it.
Oh, hold on. Straw's back. Straw's.
Oh, yeah. Yes, just get it. Okay. Yeah, all right. So bad. Oh, it's almost. It's on the target.
It has to be in the center.
Wait. Yes.
All right. You guys, you got one more time. That was good. Go one more time. All right, guys. Let's see it.
Well, remember, the straw had, a couple of you had the straw.
Yeah, straw's back from the table.
Yeah.
Oh, they have to.
Oh!
Oh!
5 minutes.
All right. Yeah, nice work. You guys don't need 5 minutes to do that.
We need 2 seconds. No, we don't need 2 seconds.
Okay, so now I get to ask you some questions about it, okay? So let's have everybody stand over here so I can see you all at the same time. Oh my gosh, can you guys all stand over here so I can see you? Tell me, when you guys went over to the huddle, tell me about how you made the plan.
Well, I got the idea to bunch all the straws together and then blow through it, but we just decided to each go right by here so it would go far.
Okay, great.
The crease kind of helped it go straight too.
Yeah.
That was a good.
Were there any other ideas that you had, or did that just seem like a really good idea?
Well, we had our first idea was just to shoot it there, but then in case we wanted to have 2 people there, so
Okay.
it would just, instead of like someone, it's more people over there and it pushes right out.
Yeah.
We should have 2 people over here to like.
And then there was a person over here to make sure it was stuck in place.
Right,
And
right.
then
Were there any problems with the plan?
Yes,
Yeah, what was
Yes.
the problem?
we went a little too fast.
You did. You guys were
And
good.
it almost went off the table.
Yeah. It did. So did you do anything differently the second time in order to make sure it didn't go off the table?
Yeah, a little bit.
I stayed back here to like make sure it didn't go off the table.
Yeah.
So I would like blow it back.
Exactly.
Also, we had the idea of sucking.
Oh, how did that work for you?
That
Very well. So, okay. Well, at least you have the idea, right?
That didn't really work.
Okay, and so one of the things that we asked you to think about is when you got ready for the tournament today, you guys meet a lot of times and get ready together? Yeah. So tell me about some of the problems that you encountered when you were getting ready for today as a team. Do you have any problems?
We had left a piece at the coach's house.
Oh my gosh.
So we had to give it back.
The missing piece.
Oh,
Okay.
it's the missing piece.
All right.
I had to go get that.
Okay, how about if, was there a time when you were designing the robot or designing this beautiful project board over here that you guys had different ideas? That somebody wanted to do it one way and somebody else wanted to do it another way? Did that ever happen?
Not really.
We kind of worked out the kinks as it went along.
Okay.
And there was a yellow border, a red one, and we were like, no, yellow. Red. That was an
Okay.
argument.
Yeah, that was
I
an
think
argument.
when we were building the robot, I had fixed something out at my house, and then on the next meeting I brought it and said, "Is this worth the change?"
Yeah.
And
And what did the team say?
normally it was worth the change
It was worth the change?
Darnell.
Okay.
because I had one at my house.
Yeah.
I worked on,
Yeah. Okay.
so
Great.
that we got the robot done faster that way.
Yeah. Did anybody else have any problems? You guys, yeah?
I brought home the ball. here.
Right.
We have a ball caster, and well, it was super bulky. It was like a train.
Yeah.
And so we needed to shorten it. And so I took that home, and it took a really, really long time to fix that.
Well, good. Sounds like
But then I came back that
Throw this
Saturday
away
and
somewhere.
asked how it would work on there, and if it would.
yeah. Tell me, does anybody know about the core values of the first Lego League? Is that a familiar concept to you?
What? Yes.
The core values.
Oh,
Yeah? So tell me one or tell me what you know about that.
we've got to be respecting each other. And
Yeah?
Gracious professionalism.
Yeah, what does that mean, gracious professionalism?
Got it.
Don't raise your hands, I think.
Okay, now don't raise your hand.
So it's not like school. You want to have the right chance to just start talking like in a conversation.
Exactly.
So like we're not really raising our hands now. We're just kind of butting in nicely.
Yeah, that's a good way. That's a good way of
we
putting
need
it.
to agree on our ideas, because sometimes we might get into an argument.
Right.
And
So if you lose today, what would gracious professionalism ask you to do?
Saying good job to the other team.
Right. And if you win, what does it ask you to do?
Oh, I wouldn't
say
go to the loser team.
No.
Or the losing team.
Yeah.
Or if they had a bad run, go say good job.
Nice
I hope you
try.
have a better time
Yeah.
next time.
Exactly.
Or like there, because you have 3 times.
Right, right.
Good job and good run.
So when you think about this experience over the whole season, not just today, but on all the time that you spent working on this project together, what's the biggest your grandmother asked you at Thanksgiving? What did you learn through FLL? What would you say?
Something.
What? Something, you would.
definitely something about teamwork, because when we went to the rookie thing,
Right?
there was a teamwork thing there, and I noticed that we didn't really do it as a team very well, but we did it a lot better here. And I have noticed that we have become more of a team.
Have you guys noticed that too?
We know
Kind
each
of.
other. Yes, we
Yeah,
know each
kind of.
other more now.
Yeah.
We're friends.
Yeah, okay,
At the
that's
beginning,
great.
we didn't know each other.
Yeah, we had like no idea. We had like no idea who each other were.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Except for Evan.
All right. Well, you guys have done a great job
And
here
again.
today, and thank you very much, and good luck with the rest of your tournament, okay? Yeah.
Thank